Hey Queens! Today I'm going to be doing a sewing tutorial. I'm going to make this cute little headband. I don't know. It's cute. Let's get right into this. These are all the measurements I'm going to need. You can take a screenshot if you want. Yeah, sure. You don't need that stuff that I'm covering with my hand. That's just for me. First, let's make the pattern. Draw a box that is 3 1/4 inches by 1 1/2 inch. Then round the edges. Then cut it out and round the edges, not the edges, like you can see. They're kind of like straight, make them round so then you know. Okay. Now to the fabric. I used cotton. You can use anything you would like. Cut out 10 3/4 inches by 1 1/4 inch. Then fold it in half. Next, cut out a rectangle that is 3 inches by 1 inch. Make sure you don't poke yourself, like I did.
Ow. This is how...
Quick tip. Have a little container or an actual trash can next to you, so then you can put all your little scraps and strings and anything that is kind of trash, and then you can throw it away all at the end when you're all done, and it'll be easier. Now for the little oval thing that we made in the beginning. Cut it out and make sure it's good side to good side. You're going to need elastic. Mine is 1/4 inch, like thick, I guess. Not really thick, but anyway. You're gonna need 3 inches. Fold the 2 rectangles, the long one and the small one, in half and pin it. Here is how everything should look. Now get your sewing machine ready and sew like if it was a scrunchie. If you don't know how to sew a scrunchie, then it's like a long tube. Repeat for the small rectangle. Now turn it inside out using a safety pin. Make sure it doesn't bunch up at the end. Repeat for small rectangle. And now iron it flat. Make sure the seam is in the middle. For the oval, make sure you pivot at the ends and leave an opening at the top. Whoa! What? That was fantastic aim. After you finish sewing it, you have to decide if you want your bow to be more pointy or more round. Here's 2 examples. If you decided you wanted it more pointy, you have to snip the edges, but do not cut the stitches. If you decided you wanted it more round, do not do anything at all. Just flip it inside out. Now, tuck the raw edges in and sew on top. This is how it should look. Mine turned out a little bit lopsided, but it doesn't really matter. Fold it accordion style and sew it up. Get the long rectangle, fold it in half, pin it, then sew the bow on the top, in the very middle. Now it's time for the little rectangle to shine. Wrap the little rectangle around the bow and the whole headband and stitch it up at the back. This is how it should look. Tuck in the raw edges using scissors, pencil, or anything. Add the elastic and repeat to the other side. Sew the elastics in, and you're all done! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll make this. I hope you like to sew. I hope you had a great day of quarantine today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Queens!
Hello, Queens. It is me, the friend, and I wanted to say hello. Hi. Have a good day.